Investing is an important part of securing your financial future, and finding the right investment management firm is crucial to achieving your financial goals. Australia is home to some of the best investment management firms in the world, offering a range of investment options to meet the diverse needs of investors. Here are the top 10 investment management firms in Australia. 1. AMP Capital. 2. Colonial First State. 3. MLC. 4. Perpetual. 5. BT Investment Management. 6. Aberdeen Standard Investments. 7. Vanguard. 8. Janus Henderson. 9. BlackRock. 10. Ellerston Capital. Each of these firms offers a unique range of investment options, including managed funds, shares, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. They also provide a range of services, such as financial planning, investment advice, and portfolio management, to help investors make informed decisions and reach their financial goals. When choosing an investment management firm, it's important to consider factors such as investment style, fees, and investment options. It's also important to do your own research and read reviews to get a better understanding of the company's performance and reputation. If you're looking to learn more about wealth building and financial success, we highly recommend checking out Wealth by Adella Pasos. This book offers valuable insights and practical tips on how to build and manage wealth. Click the link below to purchase your copy and start your journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and solutions for everything. Thanks for watching.